Unit 8.
Dive. Dive is a verb. When you dive, you go head first into water with your arms stretched out in front of you. Rick knows how to dive into the deep end of the pool. Now you say the word. Dive. Dive. Enemy. Enemy is a noun. An enemy is a person or animal who doesn't like or wants to harm another person or animal. A hunter is an animal's enemy. Now you say the word. Enemy. Enemy. Frighten. Frighten is a verb. When you frighten someone, you scare the person. Yoko can frighten her brother by wearing a scary mask. Now you say the word. Frighten. Frighten. Herd. Herd is a noun. A herd is a group of animals. The herd may feed or travel together. A herd of cattle wanders in the meadow. Now you say the word. Herd. Herd. Pack. Pack is a verb. When you pack, you put things into a container, such as a bag, box, or suitcase. I will pack my books for school. Now you say the word. Pack. Pack. Pack is a noun. A pack is a group of something, such as animals, people, or things. There are 6 crayons in a pack. Now you say the word. Pack. Prove. Prove is a verb. When you prove something, you show that it's true. The experiment will prove that plants need sun to grow. Now you say the word. Prove. Prove. Seal. Seal is a noun. A seal is a sea animal that has thick fur and flippers. It can swim and live in cold places. The seal uses its flippers to pull itself along the ground. Now you say the word. Seal. Seal. Seal is a verb. When you seal something, you close it up tightly. Use tape to seal the box before you mail it. Now you say the word. Seal. Smooth. Smooth is an adjective. If something is smooth, it is flat and even, not rough and bumpy. A baby's skin is soft and smooth. Now you say the word. Smooth. Smooth. Soar. Soar is a verb. To soar is to fly very high in the air. Watch the bald eagle soar in the sky. Now you say the word. Soar. Soar. Steady. Steady is an adjective. If something is steady, it continues and does not change much. We played inside all day because of the steady rainfall. Now you say the word. Steady. Steady.